Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to use a planet generator. It's a new tool for random planet generation and for Unity 3D. Here are a few examples. Um this planet has been statically generated, and these are the example of dynamic generation of the planets. These planets has been generated totally at runtime, and now I'm gonna show you how to use it and how to achieve this result. First we're gonna discuss a generation window. Here it is. All you need is just to click a generate button and it will create some kind of surface textures, where the main piece of settings is this color map, which you can change for any other color map, and this effects map you can change like this and generate absolutely different surface. Then you just save it, for example as test, yes, and um, now we have a new material. It's placed here, or we can use a different type of color map, or we can even use a cat face and generate another one. Well, any kind of color map will suit for generation of the planet of some color and some type, and there's no limits for your imagination. On the other hand, you can play with these settings to give it some individual properties, like more continents or more isles, or make it more sea planet, or otherwise more dry planet. It's all up to you. Or add some craters like this. Um, and here we can see a planet which experienced lots of impacts. And the second point is dynamic generator. Uh, it's an API. This you can here you can see how to use it. There are a few strings of code. The first thing is this height map options, which are pretty similar to what you can see here. And then you just taking these options and taking the seed, which is a random integer or whatever you would like to use to generate a random planet surface, and these color maps, which are here. And what you get is a pack of 3 textures like these ones, and then you just placing them right in the material, and as the result you will get such a beautiful line. Well, here you see the representations of the three types of patterns with some random settings for each planet, but there are pretty little amount of basic information were used to create it. Well, I hope it was useful. Thank you.